All right, this is definitely one of those unexpected surprises of 2020. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, if you're tuning in for the first time, hola, I'm just Christopher and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning guest, welcome back to my party. Okay, before I get into today's video, we're gonna do this at the top of the show, okay? Please make sure to subscribe. Please make sure to like and leave some comments. Let's get the traffic going on this channel, okay? I'm trying to work on these views a little bit, but I'm not that good at whatever you do to like maximize on that. Anywho, so before I react, unbox, and do all that other stuff on Miss Colette, let me tell you a little story. So when this young lady was previewed back in December, I think I was overwhelmed with the amount of dolls, although it was 6, that were premiered at the same time. And was it December? You can correct me, I don't remember. I knew life was gonna be uncertain for a few months and I didn't want to like go ham on everyone. So I decided on Giselle instead of Colette. And then after I put my deposit for Giselle, I started questioning my decision and I didn't keep her. I didn't. Ended up just, you know, passing her along to Kyle actually. And you know, the world went into a pandemic. Colette finally arrived. Everyone was getting their Colette. And I was like, you know, I like her. I've always loved the outfit. And the thing that I hated the most was probably the pink hair. And well, that can be changed. What up, Kyle? So I was like, let me just take a leap of faith here. And I added myself to a wait list at Sideshow. And within maybe a week, I was notified that I got a Colette. And here we are today, reacting and unboxing Colette. Shocker. So, I had her, I had to get her out the box already because my mother wanted to use the box for something else. So, she's kind of pre-ready. Just gotta take the tissue paper off. Which is secretly my favorite. I don't know what it is about it being wrapped in tissue paper that makes it feel just so bougie. I feel like I took longer to do that than I should have. Oh well. Here we are. We've already seen this box. If you haven't seen this box, well, then I suggest you subscribe to my channel because I've definitely unboxed a lot of new faces in this box. You know how to prepare myself. Gotta like, you know, have an open mind, open heart, no judgment. You know, think of only what I want to think about. Yes, girl! You know this hair is actually more peach than it is pink. How about that? Girl. Hey, girl. So excited. The dolly gods are on my side with this one. You know, and the other thing about this Colette right now that she's in my hand, and I kind of saw it before, but I didn't say anything in people's comments. I've recently, if you watch my other recent video, I'm really into Blackpink, and this can be Blackpink vibes. Blackpink vibes all the way. Like edgy, colored hair that you're not keeping. Wow, this shit is a lot lighter than I thought it was. Oh, sorry. You want to see it, don't you? Hey, okay. Look at that. Look at that. That's how you're gonna get. Yes, it is. So, if it's your first time here, I don't want you to struggle with me. So I'm gonna unbox her off camera. And within like the next, I don't know, 2-5 seconds, I will be displaying her in all of her beautiful glory with all of her accessories. And if you're new here, let me also let you know that I like to redress my girls. So not only will I be displaying her with all of her accessories, I will show you what she looks like in a completely different look. Although, I wish she didn't have the peach hair for that. But whatever. Ooh. Before I do all that, heads up. She will be getting a makeover. I think you can acknowledge that from all that I've said already. But in order for you to see that makeover, you're going to have to follow me on Instagram. And the handle will be below in the caption. So look for it. Okay, bye. I mean, not bye, but like see you now. Okay, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. I always start with the shoes. I might have a secret shoe obsession. Miniature size, so that's just where I am. I love these shoes. They're kind of like a recycle of the Ocean Drive shoes, but I'm perfectly fine with that because now I got them in black with a little chain. Super cute, and they're easy to put on. I'm not mad. Also, to let you know, if you haven't been to my channel before, I have said that a lot today. I am not the biggest fan of the flat feet, so I will not be showing her with the flat feet. It is not my thing. I'm also one of those people that's really scared to break his dolls, so it's a no. Now, moving on. Gonna go up, up, up. Love a good black stocking. It's just so edgy. Integrity was slightly lazy. I'm kind of mad I had to put on panties. I don't know why they were separate. You could have just given it to her. And guys, while I move on from the panty comment, can we talk about these nails? This nail color though, is this camera gonna stay steady? See, kind of, sort of, yeah. Beautiful, love it. Look at that ring. I almost feel like I can mix and match jewelry between her and Venom Jordan. Yes, it's gonna happen one day. Fanny pack, love it. Give me some more. Want it in all colors. A white one would be lovely next. And this coat, super thick. It is a coat, ladies and gentlemen. But nonetheless, fabulous. Can't wait to restyle this puppy. Maybe I'll do something with the jacket. Let's see how I feel. And here she is. Look at that, look at that, look at that. The streets is popping today. I'm sure you guys heard that. As you already know, I'm not the biggest fan of the hair, so I put it back in a ponytail. But I love this hat. Love these glasses. Love this lip color. Yes, girl. Giving them cunty everything. Yes. This is such a Balmain look, and I love it because I love Balmain. Jessie, if you watch, by any chance, I would love me a Balmain collection. But add some boys in there. Balmain got some good boy stuff. Well, here she goes. Here's Colette in all of her accessories, all of her glam, showing you she is that it girl. And now we will take a moment, take a few seconds, and I will redress her and show you what she looks like in a whole new ensemble. Yes. Yes. Okay, so for the restyle, I kind of wanted to do something a little bit more summery and colorful. So I paired this Barbie dress that I had with a Yumi's denim jacket. I kept the fanny pack and like the earrings really. And then I also brought a Yumi's white boots. I zoomed really fast there. But yeah, like I said, I wanted this to be completely the opposite of what she came in. She was wearing so much black and it was like so heavy that I was like, let's show her in something a little bit more like young and fresh and like bright. So here she is, looking more spring summer ready, giving you like that fresh it girl. This is also gonna be a very strong airport look because she's that girl and she's traveling, so she needs that airport look. Apologies for the voice in the back. We were doing so well, but it took me a while to restyle her. There's Colette, restyled, looking a little bit more summery, useful. Yes, sirree. Okay, guys, so that was today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in with me. Thank you so much for just like supporting the channel, checking out the video. I am really excited to confirm that I do know 2 more videos are on the way. And I, if you haven't noticed, like to release them on Wednesdays. So keep an eye out on Wednesdays for the next 2 confirmed videos. Oh yeah, you heard right. There's 2. I can confirm that. They're coming. And once again, there's a lot of hands happening in this video today. Let's put them away. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment. Because they say that brings traffic, and I would like some traffic. Some more traffic, because I appreciate everyone who subscribed so far. Love you. Okay, bye.